Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can actually hang over this particular paragraph right here. Yes, very important right here. We can block it. Then we can come right up here. That's a paragraph. Or I can come right here and click on layout. I'm going to click right here. I'm going to click and notice. We got this small little dialog box right here. It has alignment right here, outline. Notice the indentation, says special. You notice line spacing and all of that. Set as default, but what you want to focus on right here, special. Click on it, look down arrow, and this is safe, it says hanging. So you want to click on that, come right here and click on OK. If you notice, you see it actually hanging right there. Just the same. You wanted to do the same thing with this one. Click at the paragraph, right? You can click right here, the layout. Just the same, but I'm going to click right here. And then we're going to click right here so far. I'm going to click right here, hang out. And then when you're done, you're gonna click OK. If you notice, I have my paragraph here hanging. So definitely this is how you actually do hanging right here in your Microsoft Word document. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.